Alright, so you open your CorelDRAW, then you set the page 3.5 by 2. So I'm going to do this on a new page. Alright, so make sure the page is on business card, or you just set it 3.5 by 2. Now click on a rectangle, click and drag on it. And this rectangle, right click on this, then you say save outline color, so the color comes out. Alright, so you come over to this place. Here is 3.5 and here is 2, as it's 3.5 by 2. So just press P to centralize it. Alright, so once you have that, now the next thing you want to do, you click on rectangle here. So you click and drag somewhere here like this. So you right click on it and say power clip inside. So you want to power clip inside, this thing shows up, so you click on edit. Once click on edit, so you carry this one that you've just done here, put it somewhere here, put it here like this. Right, so right click on it and say convert to curves, then click on your shape tool here. Then so you take this inside, make sure it is still straight, take it inside, then Ctrl+CV, resume. Alright, so as I was saying, then you duplicate it like this. So you take one up a little bit like this, right? So right click on this one, go to where you see other, and then say back of layer. So back of layer is not bad. So this one here we have let's say this color, right? So it says outline color too. While this guy we have this color, set outline color. Okay, so I think we're pretty much done with this. Just bring it out a little bit. Bring it out a little bit, very small. Okay. Alright, so that is the first thing we're doing. So the next thing we're doing, you click on this polygon here, then you choose the polygon, then you head over to 3. Make sure it is on 3. That's for the what is it called? The triangle. So you click and drag like this. Okay, once you're done, you use the space, this thing as 180. Okay, so 180. So you bring one here. Bring this one like this. Let's reduce it. Reduce it a little bit. So Ctrl D to duplicate it. So this one gets to be at the back. Right. So this one, the shape outline is no outline. Good. Now we have the airline. So increase the airline to I think 0.75. 0.75 is fine. So duplicate it. Put the other one at the other side. This. Okay, not bad. So I think I want to make this closer. So bring this a little bit closer. And take this. So take this one. So once you're done, you click on this finish over here. Then we have it like this. So we are almost done. Alright, so we have the background set up already. Now the next thing we want to do is to fill in most of the details. Alright, so I'm just going to take most of the write-up from here. So just position this. So I'm going to do this again, kind of. So you click on your text tool, and you have, please, in case you're typing and it's not showing, that's the problem. Is with the problem is the font. Just change the color like this. Once you do this, so now the font is I think I use brush. Yeah, brush MTS. So you can use the same thing if you want to, or you can choose not to use the same thing. Alright, so we'll take it somewhere here. Size 10. I think it's 12. 11. Okay, so can go this size 12. So you're going to decide it, right? Then this Avila Tech, let me just quickly do it so you see it. So Avila Tech. So Avila Tech. I don't know the font I use. I think this is the font. Yeah, good. Now you press F11. F11 is color. So this one here, I went for this blue color. I went for something blue around this area. Then for here, I went for a darker. I went for a darker version of blue. This one. Then I position it. The darker version of blue. And okay, so that's how I did this one here. This color. Then you click on it, you choose shape, just take it up a little bit. So the space will not be too much. This will not be too much. Okay, so the next thing is how I did this. To do this, just click on a rectangle here, like this. Then have okay, so let's have the three like that. Position it well. The three have the same color. So also set outline. Alright, so now you press Ctrl F11. That's your character. Ctrl F11. So you go to Webdings. Under here, you look for Webdings. Okay? This is Webdings. You go to Webdings and you scroll down. Let's look for the call. Alright, so this is it. It's up there. Let's click and drag it. Then we head over to Wingdings, W-I-N. That's this guy here. This one. So you go there. Then we look for the address. This is this one. So click and drag. So you can close this and done. So this one now, turn to the other side. This. So you put it here. Alright, so this one too, you put it here. Okay, so I'm going to zoom it so I can arrange this one. So this one, you click on it, make it smart. Okay, so you can also increase it, then color. Okay, then you can duplicate it. And this one white. While you come over to circle here, you just draw a circle around it. Underneath it, so the circle outline is white. Then once you set it as white, come over to this airline and increase it. This is 5. So this one is there. So go to the first right click on it, go to order and say the front of page. You see all that. So okay, so that is how that is being done. So we have that, then you can now copy the phone number. So that's and type the numbers and everything. So these are